Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this 17-piece set of non-stick cookware. It's from Hausfrau, it's German expression, so I say it in German. So we get 7 pans, 6 handles and 4 lids. And they are suitable for gas, electric, ceramic, halogen and even induction, so covers everything. So you don't have to be worried that if you are upgrading your stove, you can't use them anymore. And so here you can see the whole content of the whole set. Of course, it's not assembled yet. And there's even a small instructions manual included to give you some advice how to use it. And so we get even some extras. We get these gloves here, some cooking spoons, then even a screwdriver which you need to assemble. And everything comes in perfect quality. There was nothing missing, nothing scratched. You can see how nice this looks, totally straight, polished, flat, and then the nice coating here exactly how we want it. And to assemble is very easy. We have to just match the right handle with the right pan. So the easiest is to match the shape here, because some are a little bit more bent and some are a little bit less bent. So make sure it has a perfect match here. And then we add the screw here from the back and then we secure it with the screwdriver. So I have now assembled everything. Everything worked really good. It's very easy to apply these handles here from underneath. It's just one screw also for the handles here. Make sure that everything is really tight. You can use like an electric screwdriver, but I would highly recommend to use this one here to finally tighten, and so everything is really nice and solid. It's not shaking, not moving. And I've already used this pan to cook some ground beef even without any oil. After I got it, I cleaned it with some dish soap and then dried it and didn't put any oil or grease in it, just heated it up and put the meat in it, and it worked absolutely awesome and also to clean. And you can't see any scratches, no nothing, like it came from the factory. And I really love how nicely and evenly it's distributing the heat. And we have these nice lids for all the pans except from this one and this one. I mean, these are pans where we usually don't use lids, but if you really need one to make scrambled egg or so, you can still use this one here. And for this small frying pan, you can use this one, fits perfectly. And also the handles are really good. They are absolutely not heating up from the pan, so you can always grab them. And the granite coating, of course, is a huge plus, because based on my experience in the past, the granite coating is the best, lasts the longest of all the different coatings. So for me, everything looks perfect. Also, the price is right, just a little bit more than $100 for everything. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.